In this video, we will be doing an extension of another one. We were proving that x plus y plus z plus w in this figure must equal 180. So now we've got a ratio here and find each angle. So these two angles are vertical, so that is x. Those two angles are vertical, so that is y. Those two are vertical, so that's z, and those two are vertical, so that is w. So any combination of w, x, z, and y must be 180. So now you might be thinking, well, how are we going to get all these variables done when there's four of them? Well, we're going to make a new variable u. So x is 3u, y is 4u, z is 5u, and w is 6u. So then all of these u's must equal 180. So 6u plus 3u plus 5u plus 4u equals 180. So 18 u equals 180, u equals 10. So then putting those back in red. So if u is 10, that is 60 degrees, that is 30 degrees, that's 50 degrees, and that's 40 degrees. 60 plus 30 is 90, plus 50 is 140, plus 40 is 180, and we have our check, and we have all of our angles.